So today we're just going to review multiplication two-digit numbers. So we multiply first our ones. So we're going to start right here with our ones. 2 times 7 is 14. And my 4, and I'm going to carry my 1 over to my tens place. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now I'm going to multiply my tens. So since I'm starting with the tens, I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder for my ones. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry my 6. 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 6 is 24. And then I'm going to add them up. I'm going to add up my ones. 4 plus 0 is 4. My tens. 5 plus 3 is 8. My hundreds. Nothing plus 4 is 4. And my thousands. Nothing plus 2 is 2. Next one, 63 times 75. Again, I'm going to start with my ones. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry my 1. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 1 is 31. Now I'm going to start with the 7, which is in my tens place. So I'm going to put a 0 as my placeholder. 7 times 3 is 1421. Going to carry my 2. 7 times 6 is 36, 42. Plus 2 is 44. And then I'm going to add them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, and nothing plus 4 is 4. Let's just add my comma. Next one, 98 times 41. Again, I'm going to start with my ones. 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 9 is 9. Then I'm going over to my tens. Put a 0 as a placeholder. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 3. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 3. 37, 38, 39. I'm going to add those up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Carry my 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Last one. Notice I have a 0 in my top number. That makes it really easy. 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 7 is 49. Same thing, since I have a double digit, I already know. I have my placeholder. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. Go ahead and add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Hope this helps.